Hello, welcome to Whiskey with E. I'm Eric, you can call me E. Now today, not even a whiskey with or without the E, not even a rum, not even a cognac. For all those that know, I went and grabbed a beer just a little bit earlier, so special kind of beer. We went into the craft beer section. Now this is called Peanut Butter Milk Stout. It is by Belching Beaver Brewery. Alright, it is 5.3%. coming out of California. So let me read what it says on the back here. America's favorite peanut butter milk stout. Troy came up with the idea of combining peanut butter with our Beaver's milk stout, and he nailed it. Don't let the dark color fool you. This beer is delightfully easy to drink with cascading aromas of roasted peanuts, dark chocolate, and coffee. Good times to you, my friend, and welcome to the Beaver family. Cheers, Tom. Well, sounds very inviting. You know what? I'm getting really excited for this because, I love those chocolate notes, and I'm getting right into this craft beer phase of my journey. So, let's crack it. Oh. Oh, damn. Oh, my goodness. I'm going to say a little something there. I mean, you know why that is, guys? You know what it says there? It says Headmaster. Wow, look at that head. Wow. It is so creamy. Oh my goodness. Oh. Wow. So yeah, that peanut is really coming through, mixed with like that malty chocolate note. Slight coffee, alright, not too dark on the coffee. The standout here is definitely the peanut butter. Oh my goodness, the color, look at that. You can't see through that. You can't see through that. That is what a stout should be. Alright, oh, you know what? I'm just going to get right into it, guys. I'm just really curious if that peanut butter is going to carry through on the palate, but on the nose, it smells awesome, so thumbs up there. Alright, let's have a taste. Cheers, everyone. Wow. You know what? Alright, so the peanut butter does come through, but it comes through a lot thinner. So it's thin, but it's creamy. I mean, it's not like a crazy, like an imperial stout that's 12 point something percent, full bodied. No, this wasn't aiming for that. This is 5.3. It is there's no bitter taste. No bitter taste whatsoever. This is just so hold on. I'm going to have another one. Cheers, everyone. Don't know if you meant to splush beer in your mouth. I've never drunk beer I've never even fully appreciated beer, smelling, trying to taste it. Normally beer just tasted like beer up until I found out the craft beer world. And I love chocolate notes in my bourbon, so I love chocolate notes in the scotch. So obviously I was going to love chocolate tasting beer, but peanut butter, you're up there as well. Oh, wow. So like a salted peanut butter, you got the chocolate there, but it's not heavily chocolate like other ones that I've had. This is just bang on the peanuts. Alright, I'm just going to have some more. Oh, that is nice. You know what? I'm just curious of what a little bit of scotch can do to this. I'm not going to add in the Bruichladdich, that might just be too intense. What do people normally do? Fill up a shot glass and drop it into their craft beer. We're just going to pour some in. Just a little bit. Alrighties. Alright. Extra kick. Let's see if the peanut is still there. Oh, that's actually alright now. You know what? Adding in some scotch or whatever. I don't know if you're meant to add in scotch, or I don't know what people generally add in to their stouts, but it still kept the peanuts. Oh. Yeah, you still got that malty, that chocolate, peanut, caramel kind of notes, but then you're getting that slight scotch note coming through. But since it's unpeated and it's a fruity Speyside, it's actually working well together. But anyway, guys, remember to like, comment, and